guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be an amazing day because today I will tell you some secrets that no gym trainers tell you. The best trick is coming in between the video, so keep watching this video till the end. And in this video I will tell you what all things you should never do in a gym. So let's begin. As you walk through the gym doors, you can sense that your pre-workout supplement is kicking in as a powerful feeling of focus, strength, and singleness of purpose overtakes the mind and body. You put the gym bag in the locker, and are you now more than ready to go and wage out all of the war on the weights? Ha! Will this be the best workout of your life? Well, that depends, but will you manage to avoid these pitfalls while you're training? If yes, then keep watching the video. So let's start with number 1. Talking, texting, or posting on your cell or mobile. This one irks me almost more than any other pitfall I will mention in this video because it is so hard to do a day without Facebook, without Twitter for 1 to 2 hours of a day. Can you stop talking or texting with your bros long enough to focus on your workout? Ha! That's not possible, but is it possible to wait until your final rep to pull with the girls you meet over the weekend? Listen, unless your wife is pregnant and in the 9th month, or you're waiting for a possible 6-figure job offer at any moment, then leave yourself in the bag. That means leave your phone in the bag or locker if you're serious at all about making gains in the gym. Let's hop on to number 2, waiting for machines or benches. It's always smart to plan your workout ahead and to base it upon your current physique, strengths, and weakness. However, when you find that a machine or bench that you need is already taken and that the person or persons using it will be there for a while, you have 2 choices to make. Number 1, ask if you can work in, or number 2, find an alternate exercise to do in its place. Do not stand there and wait for 10 minutes until the equipment is free, as you will cool down, lose your pump, and most likely you'll destroy your focus and you'll draw your weight. Now let's go into number 3, no spotter. What I mean by spotter is I cannot tell you how many times I've witnessed someone getting caught helpless under a bench press, squat, or leg press, with the result almost always being minor to severe injury. While it's certainly not a necessity to have a spot on most exercises as far as safety is concerned, please do not take foolish chances with potentially dangerous movements like bench presses, squats, and angled or vertical bench leg presses. If you train alone, ask another gym member to watch you, especially during your heavy sets. Let's jump to number 4, wandering mind. There are a few things as important to manifesting physical progress as remaining intensely focused while you train. The mind-muscle connection is to keep your head in the game throughout the entire workout, even between sets. Think about the muscle you're working if you're dead serious about building a great body. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button if you would like to join the Fitness Freaks family. Number 5, overstaying your welcome. There is no reason to be in the gym for longer than 75 to 90 minutes, even from the most hardcore bodybuilder or athlete. If you train with 100% intensity and take reasonable rest between sets and exercises, you don't need to spend your entire day lifting weights, which will only hinder progress. Get in there, kill it, then get up, eat, rest, and recover. Number 6, eating. There's no need for protein bars or even protein powder while doing your actual workout. Anything that your body needs to digest and break down will cause valuable blood to be carried to the stomach instead of the muscles, which is not what you want. In addition, eating while training can cause an upset stomach and bloating. Consume important individual amino acids such as BCAAs while training. For for the secret trick to be revealed, just give me 10 likes in this video and I will give a link of a secret website that will give you some pro tips and tricks to have a muscular body. And guys, if you like to build abs for your body, then you must watch this video, which is in the I button just above this video. And guys, thanks for watching, and the second part will be coming day after tomorrow, so stay tuned till that. And also guys, 1 minute, comment how is my voiceover, whether it is clear. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye.